discovering Japan's fermented treasures, miso, soy sauce, and beyond. Welcome to the heart of Japanese cuisine. Today, we'll journey through centuries-old fermentation traditions to discover the secrets behind Japan's most beloved seasonings: miso, soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, and sake. These humble condiments have shaped the nation's culinary identity, influenced its culture, and continue to inspire chefs worldwide. Fermentation is more than just a cooking technique in Japan. It's an art form passed down through generations. Much like Europe's love for cheese or Korea's devotion to kimchi, Japan's fermented seasonings emerged from necessity and ingenuity. Over time, they grew into refined ingredients that amplify the elusive umami flavor. These seasonings reflect regional climates, dietary customs shaped by Buddhist and Shinto philosophies, and centuries of evolving taste. Miso, a paste made from fermented soybeans and koji, a mold culture, has roots dating back to the 7th century, influenced by Chinese fermentation techniques. Over time, Japanese monks refined miso production in temples, linking it to Zen principles of simplicity and balance. Regional varieties abound. White, shiro, miso from Kyoto, light, sweet, and delicate, often used in elegant soups and dressings. Red, aka miso from northern regions, rich, robust, and savory, lending depth to hearty stews and marinades. Hacho miso from Aichi Prefecture, a dark, long-fermented, soybean-only miso prized by samurai and still revered for its intense flavor. Historically, miso provided essential protein when meat was scarce, fueling laborers and sustaining monastic communities. Today, chefs worldwide incorporate it in salad dressings, glazes, and even desserts, proving its versatility is timeless. Soy sauce, or shoyu, emerged around the 13th century, also influenced by Chinese seasoning but adapted and perfected by Japanese brewers. Traditional soy sauce is made from soybeans, wheat, salt, and koji, aged in cedar barrels. This meticulous process can take months, resulting in a complex, aromatic seasoning. Varieties include koikuchi, dark, soy sauce, the most common type, rich in umami and color, widely used in everyday cooking. Usakuchi, light, soy sauce, lighter in color but saltier, ideal for Kansai-style cuisine where the natural colors of ingredients are preserved. Tamari, often wheat-free, thicker, and richer, originally from central Japan, now popular for gluten-free diets. Over the centuries, soy sauce evolved into a staple that defines Japanese flavor. It's essential in sushi dining, marinades, dips, and a cornerstone for many Japanese dishes. Its spread along trade routes made it a global seasoning, now a kitchen essential worldwide. Mirin, a sweet fermented rice wine, came into prominence during the Edo period, 17th–19th century. Originally enjoyed as a sweet aperitif, it evolved into a beloved cooking ingredient. Mirin's subtle sweetness and mild acidity give dishes a glossy finish known as teri, vital for the famed teriyaki sauce. Beyond savory dishes like nimono, simmered vegetables, and grilled fish, mirin has a cultural legacy. It symbolizes refinement and hospitality, adding gentle sweetness and balance that underscores Japanese culinary philosophy, harmony over intensity. Rice vinegar's origins trace back to the Heian period, 8th–12th century, but it truly flourished with the rise of sushi. Mellow and slightly sweet, it differs from Western vinegars with its softer profile. Sushi chefs rely on rice vinegar to season the rice, a critical step that defines the delicate balance of sweetness, saltiness, and umami in sushi. Beyond sushi, rice vinegar finds its way into pickles, marinades, and dressings, appealing to those who appreciate subtlety and fresh, clean flavors. Its role in Japanese cuisine highlights the importance of harmony in taste, where no single note dominates. Sake, Japan's iconic rice wine, is also deeply entwined with culinary history. Beyond being a beverage, sake is used in cooking to tenderize meat, eliminate odors, and enhance flavors. Its production involves koji and a careful fermentation process, often linked to Shinto rituals and seasonal festivals. Culinary sake, typically with lower alcohol content, allows home cooks to replicate the depth and aroma found in Japanese kitchens. As a cultural symbol, sake's presence at shrines and celebrations underscores its importance not only for taste but also in the spiritual and social fabric of Japan. Fermented seasonings contribute probiotics, enzymes, and amino acids, potentially supporting gut health. Japan's high life expectancy and tradition of a balanced diet, rich in fermented foods, have drawn global interest. While not a magic bullet, these condiments form part of a nutritious culinary tapestry, aligning with a holistic approach to health and well-being. Let's bring these seasonings to life with a few simple recipes. Miso soup. Start with a light dashi broth, add veggies and tofu, then gently mix in miso at the end. Never boil it, to preserve delicate flavors and probiotics. Teriyaki glaze. Combine soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of sugar. Brush it over grilled chicken or tofu for a shiny, savory sweet finish. Sushi rice. Season cooked rice with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This simple blend transforms plain rice into the base of beloved sushi rolls. Finding these seasonings abroad is easier than ever. Asian grocery stores and online retailers stock reputable brands like Kikkoman for soy sauce or Marikome for miso. Experimentation is encouraged. Try different types, read labels carefully, and choose organic or artisanal variants for unique flavors. By embracing these fermented seasonings, you're not only enhancing your cooking but also engaging with a rich cultural heritage. From centuries-old temple kitchens to modern fusion restaurants, these ingredients bridge past and present, tradition and innovation. Let them guide your culinary journey, and discover a world of savory depth that can transform your kitchen.